Today, let's take a look at one key process in PCB manufacturing, FQC.
With electronics developing so rapidly today, the PCB being a core part of every device, must meet the highest quality standards. That's why FQC, or Final Quality Control, is such a crucial step to guarantee every board is reliable before it reaches our customers.
FQC is really like transport in the PCB production. Here we carefully check every board to make sure it meets the IPC standard as well as customer specified requirements.
FQC covers a wide range of inspection items. The first step is appearance inspection, which includes checking the PCB solder mask color, surface finish, board dimensions, and thickness, as well as looking for scratches, stains, or warpage on the board surface. To make this process more efficient and accurate, we have introduced advanced AVI automatic optical inspection machines. They work like tireless electronic guardians, quickly and precisely detecting any appearance defects on the PCB.
Machine start working, it's first view an inspection file from PCB, circuit design, solder mask, seal skin data. You can think this file as its inspection guidebook, which allows the machine to scan every board in a focused and fused way. Next, the AVI machine uses the high-resolution camera to scan every part of the PCB and compare it with the standard referencing image. If there are anything bearing test, it is standardly flagged that spot on the skin as an entry point.
Through FQC's strict and comprehensive inspection process, only those PCBs that are truly quality assured and meet all standards can successfully pass and move on to the next stage of production or be delivered to customers.
The inspection